They've competed. All right. Blue, red, are you guys ready? Blue's ready? Autonomous in 3, 2, 1, go. 60X scores quickly in autonomous. They have a second one, and can they score it? Oh, they just missed. Their partner knocks them offline. But Blue does score the mobile goal, so that will give the autonomous to Blue. 3, 2, 1, go. Drivers take control with 1 minute and 45 seconds. 258-7-28-5Z picked up their mobile goal and moved it out of the way, so 60S has access to the 20-point zone. A second cone there for 60X. A third cone. And number 4. And this is the last of the cone, mobile bases. He gets it in there, but he dropped 2 in the meantime. Doesn't matter. 1 base left there for Blue. Red still trying to get their first one in with 50 seconds left to go in this match. Meantime, 60X, second cone, and here comes number 3. Number 3 has been stacked by 60X. That's the DiscoBots from North Texas. 30 seconds, that's a 30-second warning here in match number 32. There's number 4. He's gonna try for number 5. There it is, quickly. Now he can score number 6. And that's 14 seconds left to go. Can he get the 7th one? Oh, he misses. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh! That's okay. I think you got enough. I think they got enough.